Just
patience is the key, ain't it?
yeah, definitely. Definitely.
All right, here we go, guys. Let me make sure. I think we may be live. Yep, we are. We are. All right, folks. Yeah, we're good. We are good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Forex Trading Holy Grail video, whatever you want to call it. Today, guys, we have some exciting information for you. We're going to share with you some information that is going to help you in the Forex game. All right. Every week we do this like clockwork every Thursday, where we're going to bring to you a tool, a system, so to speak, that is going to enhance your trading. Okay, so let me give a disclaimer. My glasses are a little blurry. Give a disclaimer before we start, guys. Trading is risky. All right, but if you follow the rules of trading, you will do well. Okay, not saying you won't lose, but you will do well. And what we have here today is a system called a Holy Grail that can simplify and will simplify your trading. You will get proof of that here in just a bit, because we have a testimonial today of one of our customers who has just started with the Holy Grail system 4 days ago. 4 days ago, guys, and she is doing absolutely phenomenal. All right, but before we get to her testimonial, we want to break down what this system is, what it does, why you need it, and why you need to be trading Forex with us. Okay, so Misty, I'll let you take it over. I want to speak to everyone who is maybe looking at Forex. Maybe you're in Forex, but you're not having the success that you want to have. And maybe you don't understand the language of Forex. You don't even know what it is, okay? Misty, explain to us what we have here. This is an indicator, guys, called a Holy Grail. Explain to everyone why it's so important to have something like this in your back pocket.
Okay. Hey, everybody. It's nice to see you all again. Yes, what we have here, it is actually it's not just an indicator, it's actually a whole system. Okay, while what we have is very, very, very simple to use, there's a whole lot of things running in the background of this system that actually gives you every indication and confirmation that you need to trade with confidence. If you don't know what the Forex market is, all it is simply exchanging one currency for another for profit. Okay, the Forex industry is a $6.8 trillion a day industry, guys. I mean, that amount of money is just about incomprehensible. And with the right tools, with the right training, and plugging in, to the system, to the resources, we can teach you how to take as much of it as you want every single day. Now I have, can you see my screen?
Oh yeah, we see you.
Okay. All right. What I have pulled up on my screen is the Holy Grail trading system. And it's so simple to use. Okay. Of course, what we love about this so much is all of the confirmations that it gives you to actually be able to take winning trades. The first that it gives you is typically you will have like an alert pop up in your screen right here saying, such and such currency pair is something. So you're going to pull up that pair. I got an alert on this pair, not too long ago. I pulled up the pair, and as you can see right here, this is the Holy Grail. Okay. This is telling you that, it was in a sale. That's like the first confirmation. The second confirmation is, look at 2 or 3 time frames. Make sure that it's all the same, that it's all still selling. Okay. And then when it called this sale, if you'll look back here, okay, you see you've got an arrow pointing down, which of course means sell. This right here is actually the Holy Grail that puts the sell up here for you, okay? And then you see you've got these little chevron things confirming that it is still in a downtrend, okay? The final confirmation that we look for is this down here at the bottom, guys. This is called your solar wind, okay? When it's red, it's selling. When it's green, it's buying. Yellow, it's about to flip. So, you know, you've got your first confirmation that it's selling. You've got your second that, you know, you've got like 3 time frames where it's still selling. You have got your red arrow, it's selling, this confirmation. So the fourth confirmation is you look down here, like when that first red arrow come up, you would not have took this because it's still green, which is buying. But I mean, as soon as you seen this flip to red, which would have been right here, you could pull the hammer, okay? You could pull the hammer, enter this trade, and ride it all the way down and catch all of these pips, okay? And you are going to actually, you can actually hold the trade. You can actually hold the trade until you see this yellow X pop up. Okay, guys, when you see this yellow X pop up, it means that the trend is about to reverse on you. The trend is about to reverse on you. Take your money, grab your bag, secure your profit, and get out. It's so easy. And also, just to make it even easier, when you do get an alert come up and you pull up a pair, you see over here, guys, it gives you 2 entries, okay? If you miss one, you can take the second. It gives you your take profit 1, your take profit 2, and your stop loss. And while this has actually changed my trading, you know, previously when I was trying to trade, you know, just solely on my own without a system, you know, I would miss the entry. Okay, so I'd miss the entry and I'd go back and I'd be, oh, dang it, you know, so I'd try to, you know, get in anyway after I missed the entry. Or maybe, you know, I made the entry, but, you know, I held on too long to the trade because I didn't know when to get out. And then I'd end up, what profit that I did make, I'd end up giving back, if not going in the negative. And this system has just totally changed everything for me. Now, when you get this system, it's complex. It's like 13 indicators, 2 templates, and you know, you get it all. We install it on your computer. It works for every currency pair. It works for every time frame, and it works, you know, for any broker. Now, this right here, this template that you see that I have pulled up right now, it's called Money Bags. And this is what you would use for like your regular currency pairs, your minors, your Forex crosses, your exotics, but maybe you like to trade, you know, indices. Maybe you like to trade metals like gold and silver. You know, maybe you like to trade, you know, oil or some, I like to trade Tesla. I like to trade Apple. I like to trade, you know, some of the stocks. So when you would do that, when you want to, you know, trade one of those, you would, and I'll show you, it's so simple. Let's just, I don't even, well, the indices market's closed right now anyway. So let's just pull up German 30. Okay. So what you would do when you pull up German 30 is, you know, you just right click on your chart, you go to templates, and you're going to pull up what's called the index ATM. And this is what you're going to use for your indices, for your metals, for your oil, if you like to trade any stocks. And this has, you know, the built-in Fibonacci. This has the built-in, you know, support and resistance levels. You still get the Holy Grail. And it's still the exact same thing. You still look for the confirmations. Now, when I trade these, I kind of trade them on like a little bit of a lower time frame, which said the market's closed right now. I try to like do like the 15 at the highest, but I try to stay on like the 5 or 1 minute with these. because they are so volatile. But you get the auto Fibonacci, and fibs don't lie, guys. Fibs don't lie. The support and resistance, you still get, the Holy Grail and the solar wind. And it's still the same, guys. It tells you, ninja precise entries on getting in, and super stealth exits. It's everything that you could need, even for the more experienced traders. This could help, and definitely for the people that is just getting into Forex, this could definitely help you. And it's not like, we just sell you a system and we just leave you with it. Guys, we have Forex training class every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where either myself or one of our management team, we are teaching you the fundamentals. We are teaching you the basics of Forex. We're teaching you about support and resistance, the zones. We're teaching you about market structure, price action, and we teach you an intraday strategy. Okay. It's not like we're just, we're just selling it. And also, when you do get our system, you do get access to our Facebook Messenger group. Okay. And we trade together all day and all night, every single day. If the market's open, there is somebody in there trading with you. And we actually this morning just started our trading room, where we have a Zoom room. At some point in time, any point in time of the day, if you want to trade, you can come to this room. There'll be somebody trading with you. You can go to our chat. They're trading all day. We even set up all night trading London session. We catch major pips. Like yesterday, we caught, it was like 2,500 pips before, London session. So in the mix of, in between, when New York session opened and we hit the Asian session, we made like 2,500 pips. And I actually was off last night. I didn't trade London, but the management team did. So I don't know, but I know that I was up early this morning with New York session, because I did New York session with everybody this morning, and we had caught like 1,500 pips before 9 a.m. So, if your trading game's not where you're at, you want to up it a little, the Pip and Superstars is the place that you really want to be. And you've got people here that really care about your success and that you get this skill set down. And, we're going to the top, and we're just ready to bring you with us.
Awesome, Misty. This is, guys, with this particular system, as you heard Misty say, you're getting a lot of value. Okay, you're getting a system that's going to help you with your confirmations, with your confluence. You're getting into our trading group. Okay, where we trade together. Okay, there's something magical about trading together. The masterminding, the camaraderie. It helps your confidence. It helps, it helps to encourage you. It helps to keep you inspired along the same line of reaching, similar goals. Okay. This group, and Misty, this group has been going on for how long now? This Pip and Superstars. How long has that group been going on?
We started July, the end of June.
Mm-hmm.
Since the end of June, nobody knew nothing about trading when we started.
Nobody knew nothing about trading.
No,
and
they
now,
were lost.
Now they're killing. They're making pips daily. I see it. I see it in the group every day, guys. These folks are really doing a great job. Now we have the 24-hour trading room. Now that's a new addition. Okay, so guys, this, if you're trading, this is going to make your trading life a lot easier, big time. Okay, again, you're looking for at least 3 to 4 confirmations. Me personally, Misty, I love this. I love the indices part of this, because it gives you the support and resistance. It gives you the Fibonacci's, right? The blue,
yes.
Okay, the blue is our key zones in support and resistance. It's just, it's like, I think I posted in the group one day, it's like playing a video game.
It really is.
Hey, you get on the Holy Grail, it's like playing a video game. You're just waiting for the confirmations for certain things to show up, the arrows. You're looking for the small arrows too, okay, for even more confirmation. Then you're looking for the arrows that go all the way across, as you see the blue and the red, and you're looking for the solar wind to either cross up or cross down. That's it, guys. All right, and then some support and resistance zones, you know, for more confirmations. So that, you know, most traders, including myself in the past, have struggled with entries, when to get out of a trade. This is going to tell you when to get out of a trade. You know, the X's, when you see an X, guys, it's going to be reversing on you, and it's very, very accurate. Okay, very, very accurate. So what we want to do now is bring on a young lady who just started with us with the Holy Grail. She's going to let you know how long she's been doing it. She's going to let you know what her experience is in trading, Forex trading. I'm gonna let her tell the story, because you know I'm just excited about what she's been doing. So, Star, are you there?
Hi, yes, I'm here.
All right, all right. Well, thank you again for coming on and spending some time with us. Like we told you before, you're our first testimonial using the Holy Grail. Can you give everyone who's looking at this your background when it comes to Forex trading? What is your background?
So as far as my background goes, I have literally no experience trading manually at all. I can say I really love this Holy Grail system, and being a beginner, I have to admit, you know, I was a bit nervous to get started, but once I got things going, I started to see exactly how simple it actually is. And as Misty stated, you really don't have to know anything about trading at all. You can take home whatever amount of money you want, basically. As long as you're just being consistent, being patient, and following the trainings, you can actually become very successful in this.
Absolutely. And you've been doing it for how many days? 4 days, right?
4 days, yes. Today's day 4 for me.
What has been your experience as far as your profitability with your trade so far?
It's been looking really lovely, actually. I can say I had about, well, I've lost count actually, a little over 50 profitable trades.
50 profitable trades in 4 days.
Well, that's just actually for today.
For today?
For today, but overall, it's far past that. So
that is astounding.
And again,
she lost count at 50.
Yeah, he lost count. He lost count at 50. Wow. So, Star, tell everyone who's looking at, because you know we put out information on this. We do it every single week. You know, people are looking at what we have, and some people say, hey, you know, is it really worth the cost? You know, what would you say to that? Is it really worth the cost?
Yes, totally. And I highly recommend you guys getting started with the system. Again, it's simple. It's really, really, really simple. Just be patient, be consistent. You know, I would give my last dollar definitely, and I'm just happy to be a part of the system and happy to be a part of this group with you guys.
I can only imagine where you're going to be in the next 30, 60, 90 days. It's going to be like, you're going to be able to do this, and you're going to be able to do this in your sleep.
Yeah, definitely. And you basically, it's however much time you want to put into it. You know, it's just, I love it. You know, hands down, I love it.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, Star, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to, I mean, your fiance sends me screenshots all the time of what you're doing to your results. So that gets me very excited when he sends me. I was like, man, what he sent me today, my eyes got big. I mean, all of the trades you took today and that they're in profit, that's amazing. Okay.
Gotta have a screenshot.
And all you did was follow the training.
That's it. Follow the training. Like I said, I have no experience whatsoever with trading manually. I just sat there and I started, and I realized how simple it was and took it from there.
Wonderful. Wonderful. What star we
And
want?
I'm gonna add that when we had our live, she got the system Friday, and
Mm-hmm.
she actually had a hard time getting on the live training that we do on Fridays. So I sent her just a recording of a past training that we did. She's
Mm-hmm.
had no one-on-one with this. She watched a recording of a past training and just has took off with it. It's that simple.
Yep. Yeah,
Definitely.
that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Well, Star, thank you so much. We're going to see if anyone has any questions so far about the indicator, about this system. Now, also, guys, I want to throw in there, you can't go anywhere else online and get this indicator. You have to come to either me or Misty to get this indicator, okay? Now, we always know there's someone that tries to duplicate systems and things like that. You're not going to get a duplication out there, okay? This is the original Holy Grail system. Just want to throw that out there. We had a gentleman go out there to try to buy one, okay? And it was far from what we have. And we told him, you're not going to get it nowhere else, okay? It may say Holy Grail out there. It may say Holy Grail, it may look similar, but it's not, okay? So we just want to get that to you, all right? So I don't see any questions right now. I think we're good. I think we are good. All right. So guys, thanks for coming to this short video, short presentation. Again, this is a system that's going to help simplify your trading. As you just heard from Star, who is 4 days in, and she is a very newbie trader, guys. She's doing fantastic. So if she can do it, we know that you can do it as well. All right. So guys, until next time, enjoy the rest of your day. If you want to pick this indicator up, get with either me or Misty, and we'll help you get set up. All right. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Have a good one.